Welcome back to another quick short tutorial video. In this short video I'm going to show you how you can delete YouTube channel permanently. To learn it, watch this video till the very end. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to the internet, and once you are connected with the internet, then you have to choose a browser. You can use any browser, but I prefer Chrome browser because it's more convenient to use. So if you don't have Chrome browser, then you can download it from Play Store. Go to Play Store and search Chrome. Now install this browser. After installing this browser, then open it. After opening your Chrome browser, then tap on the search box and then type youtube.com. After that, YouTube interface will appear. So here is the main thing to keep in your mind is that if you haven't logged in your Gmail account with this Chrome browser, then here you will see an option called sign in. Then you have to sign in your Gmail account. So after that, you will see a interface like that, and then you have to tap on these three dots at the upper right corner. Tap on here, then tap on desktop side, and once you are here, then you have to tap on this profile icon at the upper right side. Tap on here, then tap on switch account, and here you'll see all your YouTube channels here. And now here is the main thing, you have to select that YouTube channel that you wanna delete. So as you can see that I have two YouTube channel, and now I'm gonna delete the second one. That is how to solve it. Tap on this YouTube channel, and now again tap on this profile icon, and then tap on your channel. Now tap on customize channel. After that, here you will see a settings icon at the bottom. So tap on here, then tap on channel, and now tap on advanced settings. Now scroll down a little bit, and at the bottom you will see manage YouTube account. Tap on here. Now zoom in your interface, and here as you can see that a option called add or remove manager. So tap on here, and after that here you'll see your YouTube channel name that you wanna delete, and at the bottom you will see delete account option. So tap on delete account. After that, here you will have to type your Gmail account password. So I'm gonna type my password. After type your password, then tap on next. Now scroll down a little bit and tap on these two boxes. Tap on here, then tap on delete account, and our work has been done. This YouTube channel has been deleted, but we have little work to do yet. So minimize this app, then tap on your YouTube app, then tap on this info icon, and now scroll down a little bit, then tap on storage, then tap on clear cache. After that, tap on clear data, then hit OK. Now minimize this app and open YouTube app again, then tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner, then tap here. Now here as you can see that I have one YouTube channel right now, but I had two YouTube channel on this same Gmail account. One YouTube channel has been deleted. So following this simple process, you can delete any YouTube channel from your Gmail account. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.